young entrepreneur Henry Ford has created a new kind of car.
When Ford entered the automobile business, people didn't drive their own cars. They had drivers. And so cars were seen as this luxury item. Ford's insight was that cars could be an everyday item. They could be very utilitarian. So that it was within the reach of ordinary people.
Ford has spent years developing his car for the common man. He builds his first model at the age of 33 and calls it the quadricycle. But the vehicle is expensive to produce and prone to breaking down. Ford's second attempt, the Model A, is much more suited to the needs of modern America. But in order to sell it, he needs to get permission from the Association of Licensed Automobile Manufacturers, also known as ALLAM. ALLAM owns the patent on the automobile, giving them complete control over who can manufacture and sell cars.
ALLAM was successful in blackmailing other automobile companies, saying, you have to be licensed by us or we will sue you, and we own this patent.
Ford is determined to get around ALLAM's stranglehold on the auto industry. But he's just one man, going up against a virtual monopoly. If he's going to be a success without ALLAM, he's going to need to make a name for himself. Henry Ford challenges the owner of the biggest car company in the country to a race. Alexander Winton is also known as the fastest driver in America and a prominent member of ALLAM. Beating Winton with a car of his own design has the potential to give Ford the boost he needs to start his own company. There's just one problem. Henry Ford has never raced a car before.
It's a David and Goliath scene. Winton's famous world record holder has this fancy race car. Ford, the local boy, made good.
Henry Ford's upset win over the fastest man in America makes him instantly famous.
The Ford name gets out there and he milks it for everything that it's worth. And it was a very crucial part of Ford getting investors for the Ford Motor Company.
Ford raises $28,000, or $700,000 today, enough money to build his first factory in Highland Park, Michigan. And before long, he's producing 15 cars a day, priced low enough for almost any American.
Henry Ford created what became the most important industry in the American economy. He had no idea of the enormous impact it would have on almost every sector of American life. He literally changed America, the way we live, the way we do things, and the way we go about our business.